After 1 month of full-time RV living in our brand new Brinkley G3970, it's time for us to make our first move. If you've been following along, you know our first campsite attempt was on very wet gravel. After dealing with the mud and sinking site conditions, we decided to upgrade for a month. But now our time is up, and it's time to move back to the gravel site.
In true rookie fashion, move day does not go perfectly. We made 2 major rookie mistakes. One that we caught in time, and one that we did not.
Ended up in some damage.
So let's see if you can spot it before we did.
If you find them, leave us a comment with a timestamp and let us know when you spotted the mistake. Don't cheat. Don't go forward, find it, come back and write the timestamp. Be honest with it. We really want to know if you catch it because we didn't.
At all. Before we relocate, there's a few things that we need to do. We need to install the custom desk for his office. We want to go through our full departure checklist. Although we're only moving a few hundred feet, we want to make sure that we are getting it right this time.
We are turning the garage of our 3970 into my mobile workspace. If you saw the clip on closet saws, you know that we've been preparing a nice butcher block top for a desk space, and today I'm going to be installing it. We have taken the beds that come with it off of the lower bunks.
Also, we got these curtains at Target. They slide. We go together.
Let's get the butcher block and find the side that is unfinished. That unfinished side is going to go over there against the window.
Supposed to be like 1 inch over there and like 6 inches over here?
Yeah, that gives me room to avoid the dovetail.
That was so easy. Well, that's so nice. You want to set up your desk?
And the good thing about using this is that you don't have to drill into your desk. If you decide you want a different desktop at some point, they're easy to remove. But
in case
they're
you
still
want a different monitor at some point?
Yeah, in case you want a different monitor, a whole different setup. You can move it and not have to worry about putting holes in your very expensive piece of wood. I love it. Looks great, very functional, and get it out of the way. On travel day, I'll just remove the monitors, lay them down flat on something soft, cover them up, raise it all the way up, bring the motorcycle right in underneath it.
It's business time. So draining the gray tanks to try and clean the hoses a little bit. We ran a cleaning cycle on the washer today, so it was bleach and water. While the gray water's going, do you remember when we got here, what the first thing that we said that we forgot to turn off?
What?
The LP gas. Are you going up?
One of them says.
I'll go up. Whoops. This ladder does not feel stable. There's nothing on the slides. It looks pretty clean.
We hadn't been sitting under any trees or anything, so it doesn't hurt to blow it off while you're up there. Now we have to pick them up, let them drain out. This is the fun part.
Glad we waited till it was like in the heat of the day to do this.
Can you hold it while it just on
I
the
don't
outside
have a
of it?
glove on it. I don't have a glove on. Oh. Uh-oh.
Good thing it's only.
Okay, that's a lesson.
So we need to bring the garage awning in.
Dinette slide. Nice. Or where does that go?
We need a bucket for it.
If it'll fit.
Now it's touched 2 tubs.
No.
Oh, gross. Now I gotta clean that. Where'd you put the guitar?
Behind that door.
Do you feel like we need to put a cloth over that or
I
something?
don't think so. It's fit in there pretty good.
I hope it doesn't break.
Me too. Retract.
Yeah, they're all up. A little bit more. Does it matter what order I do it in? So I can do this part first?
Look around, make sure all the levelers are up and all the chocks are out. I'm going to get in here, I'm going to put it on tow haul mode, and then we're going to do a light check.
Okay.
I mean, not that we're getting on a public road, but
I know, just good habits.
going left signal,
Good,
right signal.
good. Brakes work.
Come do a tug test on the cab.
How do I look at it? I can't see. I'll go in the back seat. I'll look out the window. But you should probably stop there anyways.
And they'll go forward.
Yeah, I mean, it looks
All right,
secure.
we're good. So all I want to do is I just want to back her up so I can give myself a little bit of room in the front
Okay.
to swing right, swing left, because this left is just a little tight. So I just want to give myself some room.
Yeah, you had plenty more room if you needed to swing it more. You have all of our life with you.
Bottom mirror, I need to move it out a little bit, I think.
That does not look like that jack is pulled all the way in. I just don't know that that jack is all the way
I
in.
don't know what you're talking about.
It's not. Your jack's not all the way in. That was so close to being very bad. Oh gosh, that could have been really bad if we were in that gravel spot. Now it's up. I promise this time.
Is it all the way up?
It looks all the way up. Should we double check all of them? Those are in, those are in.
I'm glad you saw it.
Yeah, me too. That was close. Go ahead and just come straight back. Turn the back end a little bit to the driver's side. You're looking good. Just keep coming back. So essentially you need to get the whole thing 1.5 feet to the left.
So 2 foot to the driver's side?
Correct, 2 feet to the driver's side. That's looking beautiful now. All right, so you're dead straight. The only issue is you're all the way to the right. So why don't you get out and just take a look? Do you see what I mean? Like you're perfect. It's just all the way to the right.
I mean, I knew I wanted to get this far, but I can go over.
I also put the tape measure in the truck. So I remembered last time we didn't know how close the slides got out. So now, oh my God, I grabbed the wrong tape measure. Oh no. It's the wrong tape measure. I was so proud. It's the wrong tape measure.
Well, I don't know where you put the other one.
Never mind, I don't have
Hold
the
on,
slides
hold on,
marked
hold
on
on,
here.
hold on, hold on. Here you go.
Oh, hero. Here is the tape measure that I marked how far the slides came out. That one says kitchen. That one says desk area, and then this one says bedroom.
This is going to be above the water anyways.
Oh yeah.
The only thing I'm going to worry about is this slide and that pedestal.
So the kitchen slide only comes out to right here. That's
Is the back wheels.
if they're going over
when I get back and how far back we want to open up that
You
patio.
did so good so far.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can even let the driver's side come a hair, like 6 inches more to the driver's side.
I can let the driver's side come 6 inches towards the driver's side?
Yes, you can come 6 inches this way. Yeah, you look great. 5 feet, 3 feet, 1 foot stop.
Do I need to come forward?
Yeah, sorry, I was looking at the tires and now I'm realizing we cannot open the patio without killing some foliage. Maybe pull forward like 3 feet. That's good.
Yeah, we should be good.
Okay. You don't think we should do a third one? We gotta unhook.
Yep.
Hold on, that just cramped my stomach. Ugh. Emergency brake. And then the last thing that's different is that I pull this little thing, right?
Yeah, pull it straight back. That's it. Now you can raise it up.
Okay. I think there's poop on the truck. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Is the other one coming down? It's not coming off.
It will. There's a lot of weight on that truck, baby. That's good. Those needed to actually go a little bit further back.
What does?
The pads underneath.
Well, we can go back down if you want.
And the ones in the front are too far back.
Go back down then.
Well,
Retract.
retract front. Nice and slow. Make sure it gets back on the ball. Dead center of that pole coming down.
Does that look dead center?
That's good. Now let's get the other one. It's good this way. Okay, now we can go back down.
And so now I can go take retract off and
Correct.
say front
And just
'cause
hit
it's gonna
front.
come down.
Yep.
It's hard because that one doesn't go first. I don't love that. Babe, it looks like I'm gonna rip the truck. Go back down. We forgot to pull the thing.
Go back down. I didn't know it clicked on. I've got 5 here.
Chucks, we forgot the chucks. Let's hook up water and power so it can start cooling off in there. Hello.
Question, where do you get these? I saw a couple of campers that had them. I'm like, boy, that's the way to go. They're better than those flips and things. Oh my God.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, people were concerned that we didn't have a pressure regulator.
We do have a pressure regulator.
Yes, doesn't look like your typical one.
Yeah, it doesn't have a gauge on it. It's made specifically for the Brinkley system. So it regulates the water pressure itself to the exact pressure it's supposed to be at. And we did buy the quick connect, and I've got an extra one here for black tank flush when we're ready to do that. That fit tight. Backwards.
If it's not long enough.
Then we'll drop back and punt. Oh!
That was clear, right?
Yes, it was gray water.
I guess we do this slide first.
You ready?
Let's do it. Oh no, what just fell?
I really don't know what it was.
I hope it wasn't the guitar.
Oh, son of a...
Is it broken?
Oh, I'm sure. Yes, look at the back of it.
Oh no, oh my gosh. Well, hanging up on the wall, I guess. Bottom. Oh, that's awful. Which side was that on?
It was diagonal across. So,
But
I mean, I didn't see anything on the floor. The back of it that's broken was on your
Here
left.
it is.
Yeah.
Wait, there's more pieces because I just don't want it to get stuck. Another piece. Of course, there's a huge piece missing.
Might be inside the guitar.
Yeah, there's nothing else there. Just these. Yep, it's inside the guitar. Okay. So there's that.
It's a good thing that guitar was already broken.
Should I store it inside the guitar?
Yeah. It can sit there and be art until I replace it.
So note to self, we should not store anything here.
Behind the slide.
Behind the slide.
All right, you ready?
I guess I'm ready now. Much less noise in that one. We only moved like 100 yards and we almost had several like catastrophic issues. In our other site, we couldn't have the porch down. So this, even though we had to move at the 1 month mark to go into month 2, had a huge benefit, which is a porch. Now Scott should have a nicer view from his workspace. You okay back there?
I ordered a new guitar.
Well, there you go. Now you have a reason. What? How bad? Where? Lesson 1.
In our next video, we'll show you how not to store things when you're moving
And how to replace trim.
and how to replace a piece of trim.
Later in the evening, we realized the slide wasn't sitting flush. Our minds immediately went to worst case scenario. Had we caused structural damage? Not wanting to take any chances, we called an RV technician first thing the next morning to inspect it.
I'm Ken Weeds with A&K Superior RV, operating in the North Georgia area. I've been in the industry for over 30 years.
Ken, what do you think you have found?
Well, the only thing I can find is just the superficial fascia damage. None of the structure has been hurt or anything at all. So we can get by really easily on this with just replacing the slide room fascia.
Man, that is great news because we were really worried that maybe we had caused some very expensive structural damage doing something really silly. Appreciate you helping us out with this.
Well, thank you.
Issue. Thank you. Moving day definitely didn't go nearly as smoothly as it did the first time. Maybe the first move was just beginner's luck. I'm sure this will all get easier with time, but for now we've learned a couple of lessons we'll never forget. And hey, if you think Jess should buy me a new guitar for my birthday after surviving this move, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, maybe leave Jess a comment. One of the biggest things we're learning is that full-time RV life isn't just about traveling. It's about building a life wherever we park. We're slowly finding our rhythm. Between grocery runs, meal prepping, working from the RV, and figuring out how to stay active with limited equipment, it's all starting to feel a little more normal. More than anything, we want this RV to feel like home, and with each passing day, it does. If you're interested in full-time RV living, RV organization, DIY projects, or just following along with a couple of rookies to see what kind of mistakes they make, you're in the right place.
That's close. It's moving in quick. It's coming in from the east. Run, Scott!
We made it.
We're still wet.
Still wet, but at least we made it back.
We were not struck down.